Hey YouTube, I changed my mind about moving the plasma cutter around on the welding cart and decided to put it in a semi-permanent location. That meant I needed a small table, so I've documented the build here. I hope you enjoy it. I'm just cutting up the metal for a really quick build of a table to sit my plasma cutter on in a semi-permanent position in the workshop. I don't have to measure anything too precisely. I want the table about 1 metre high. There we go, 4 legs cut. Right, well that's all of that cut. I'm a bit short of material, so I'm only going to put 1 shelf in spite of the fact that the plans have 2. I've got the pieces for the small table cut up, laid out here, ready to start welding them. So without further ado, there's varying degrees of penetration. A couple of them are really good, a couple of them just barely. Main one that's a problem was that first one I did where the amperage was a bit low. Never mind, I got to weld the corners yet, so that should fix that. Plus I got to put the legs on. That's going to address any issues there anyway. It's definitely a problem doing this around magnets. Arc just doesn't want to go anywhere for me. Shit. Okay. Alright, rethink. And magnetic clamps are useless for TIG welding. I'm not going to weld that any further until I get the shelf made, and that will help pull this into place. I think if I tack that corner, it'll give me my best chance of adjusting it afterwards if I need to. That's the theory anyway. I'll just go and grind that off and then we can see about putting him in the rest of the frame. Put that one there. That'll help me hold it. While I get this other one in. Oops, there's it. Yep. There we go. Oh, it's a bit over 300, exactly 1 foot. That's a bit more, so I've got to get down about 5/16 of an inch. Wow, what a guess. Perfect. Yeah, so I'm trying to come down just a fraction of an inch. Now, I'm just going to try tacking this first so I can get rid of the clamps and manoeuvre it around into some better positions for welding. Oh, outside my comfort zone here for welding angles. I'll just check and make sure we're still, well actually, the acid test, never mind about square or not. How does she sit on its feet? And that's pretty perfect. Alright, we can see about welding her up. I know it's probably advantageous to learn to weld at different angles, but it's also advantageous just to learn to weld. And I'll worry about different angles after I've got the first one mastered. That's better, a bit of taper on the let off and just a tad less amperage and it looks good. Okay, that's warm there. That's warm there. That's not bad there. That's okay there. So, we can make up a rest here. I can weld this one. Okay, this side. What we got in the way of heat? That's okay. That's okay. That's okay and that's okay. Okay, nothing's to bother us in the heat. And now just for the heck of it, I'm going to weld these diagonals in. Pretty tight in that corner. Hard to see what you're doing, hard to control the arc. Alright, standing up on the table there, and of course, being so narrow and so high, it's going to be unstable, but that's fine because I'm going to put a bolt through the top here and bolt it to the wall. Once it's in place, it's never moving, so that'll be fine, and the plasma cutter can sit on top of that in a semi-permanent position. Since I've had it, I've found that I'm unlikely to use it anywhere else in the workroom, and if I do need to, I've got a long hose to the torch. So yeah, I'm going to put it in a semi-permanent position, take it off the welding cart. Alright, there is the completed little table. It's going to take the plasma cutter. I've cut a mesh shelf for it, and I've used some sheet metal for the top shelf. That mesh shelf will be plenty to hold the few accessories I want to put on it. And as you can see from the height of it and the width, it's going to be very unstable. Last thing remains to be done is to bolt it to the upright of the shed where it's going to live. And there it shall stay for the rest of its life. Or until I decide I need it somewhere else. Okay, and there's the little table in position. I've already got the hypertherm plasma cutter on it. And you can see down there, I've put a little bracket on the wall. Just hold it there, she's quite stable there, there's no way that's going to move. And yeah, I've just got to loosen the screw, twist the bracket out of the way if I ever want to move it. Yeah, that was a nice quick job, done in a few hours.
I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you found it at least a little bit entertaining. Until next time.